How to fix recovery error 0xc00000e9 in Windows. 1. Power off your computer, and check hardware connection in your PC case. Notes: 1.1 You may need to test the hard drives. 1.2 Check for potential component failures. 2. Perform a quick SFC scan. 3. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run chkdsk as admin. Command, chkdskc/f/r/x5. Initiate startup repair in advanced Windows safe mode. 6. Reboot the computer. 7. Disconnect all external devices. 8. Scan your PC for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 9. Change the boot order in current BIOS settings. 10. Disable Windows Secure Boot in BIOS. 11. Perform a system restore. 12. Perform a clean install of Windows with an original ISO from MS site. 13. Use bootsex/nt60 to update the VBC to bootenter in the command prompt in advanced Windows safe mode. Command, bootsex/nt60 sys. 14. Prepare the master boot record, MBR, in the command prompt in advanced Windows safe mode. Commands include bootrex/rebuild, bootrex/fixmper, bootrex/fixboot plan B, bootrex.exe/fixmbr, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/scanos, bootrex/rebuild. 15.